Thank you so much for tuning in and stopping by my channel. I hope you guys had a great 4th of July weekend. So it is early Monday morning and I said, let me go ahead and knock out some content for my friends. Okay, so I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday, y'all. I wanted to come on and share with you all what I picked up from this most recent Coach drop and sale. Now, I told you guys I was really interested in most of the bags and things from the 7/1 drop, mainly of the gingham print, the mini cherries, and I think that's about it that came out on the outlet side. And I wasn't really checking for any of the retail bags either. This is a bag that I have been wanting for a long time. As you can see, this is quite a large dust bag. I'm not gonna even hold y'all. Y'all see this? This is the Coach Empire in Merlot. Y'all, do y'all see her? I'm so sorry. Please excuse that little laugh of glee. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I have been waiting for a couple of years for this bag to go on sale. Now, exactly how I pulled it out of this dust bag is how the bag was shipped. So I was a little worried when I opened up the box and immediately saw a dust bag instead of a plastic bag. I don't know what possessed them to send it to me this way, but as you can see, it's still factory wrapped. It still has all its plastic and all of that stuff, but yeah, this is how it came to me. So I did make sure that I inspected it thoroughly. But you guys, I have been wanting the Merllo Empire 40 forever. I went with the honey brown for my first one because I knew that it was going to sell out quickly, and it did. But would you believe that's actually the least favorite out of the 3 I now own? The navy has been my favorite. I preferred that one to the honey brown, and I think maybe it's because the way the leather broke down and wore, it softened up a little bit faster. But this Merlot, you guys know I have a serious love affair with this Merlot / oxblood color. I have so many accessories in this color. Now I am really kicking myself for not getting the Coach card case in Merlot. I have a ton of other accessories, not just Coach, but from Dress Up Your Purse as well as Michael Kors. So I may look for a card case from Michael Kors if I can in their oxblood color. But yes, y'all, I'm so excited. I definitely won't be carrying this bag anytime soon. And if you notice, this bag is kind of rocking back and forth. I did test it out on a completely flat surface to make sure that the feet are even, if you recall the issues that I had with my honey Empire. So I wanted to make sure I wasn't going to have that issue with this bag. But I cannot wait until the fall to get into this. I'm not going to be carrying this in the summer. I just can't do it. I cannot do it. But y'all, I cannot wait. And I mean, I cannot wait to get into this bag. It is just gorgeous. Thoroughly inspected it and I'm so excited. So let's get on to the rest of the haul, you guys. I have a few other things here and I'm not even gonna hold you because we got things to do this Monday. I picked up the red cosmetic case. I did not know that this was coming out. And so when I said I was not interested in anything from the drop, I don't know. I've had a serious crush on red here lately. It's mainly been showing up in my planner supplies and stationery stuff. And I should probably come back and share that with y'all one day. But I had to get this. I saw this and I immediately just could see this looking so cute with some Louis Vuitton accessories. This is the interior. I just want to show you guys the color of the interior. It is, looks like it is like that oxblood burgundy color. And then of course right here at the top there is a mirror. But yeah, you guys, I saw this and I said, you know what, let me get it now, because you know how it goes with Coach. If you see something and you like it and then you think about it too long, sometimes it sells out, and I really hate buying things from resellers. So I did not want to have to hunt this down, even though this hasn't sold out yet. So I don't know, but I thought this was really cute, especially when I saw the red lipstick case. Now, I know I told you guys previously I don't think these are worth the price, and I still don't, but I'm still buying them, so I don't know. There's that. But I thought this would be really cute together. I think this would be a really cute travel set. I think this would be a really cute just mini day bag setup, and so that's why I wanted to go ahead and pick this up. And I do have a thing for Coach red accessories, and so I wanted to bring a few other accessories down here so you guys could also see the color. I'm gonna have to put the name of some of these colors on the screen because I don't think these are included on these products. So I do believe this one is like cherry red. I also have a few other reds in my collection, and this I think is coming up a little bit brighter than it really is on camera. But this is my quilted zip around card case, and I no longer have the tags for that, so I don't know the color. Let me see. I have a matching wristlet as well, and hopefully I have the tag for this in here so we can know the color. Yeah, this is called Sport Red, and I do have a few pieces, actually several pieces in Sport Reds. I have this wristlet and this card holder in the Sport Red. Then I also have a card case. This is from the Coach Summer Signature Collection. I want to say 2022. I want to say this is Miami Red, but I'm not entirely sure anymore. But I really wanted to see how this red signature print will go with the red cosmetic case as well as the wristlet. And so honestly, I'm not a stickler for all of these colors matching perfectly. I think it all looks good together regardless. And so I don't even think the camera is picking up the nuances between the reds. But for sure, the red on this card case, this is the 1941 red. It is definitely darker than these reds, but still they would all look good together. So I am very tempted. I was watching Denitra this morning do her red haul from this collection, and she picked up the Rowan, the lipstick case, and the card holder with the bows on it. Super cute. So I did have my eye on that card holder as well, so it was really nice to see somebody unbox it. I also picked up both of the notebooks, you guys, and to be honest, I think I'm definitely going to return this one. This is the cherry print and the mini cherry print, and you guys, this is so busy, and I hate how this is coming up on camera because I don't feel like you guys are seeing the true color, but it's so busy. I feel like it's so busy, it literally like just kind of hurts my eyes. There's something about this print that is visually irritating to me. And so I am definitely going to return this notebook. I'm not keeping it. I thought it would be nice to, have it to kind of coordinate with my other cherry pieces, but I do not care for it. I don't like this print at all in person. And I don't like the texture of this notebook either. It has like a soft texture to it, but it almost feels fuzzy, but it's leather. I don't know. Something is off with this one. I'm not a fan. And then I also have another notebook here. And this one is in the gingham print. These both sold out really quickly. I do believe the gingham print sold out first. I'm also considering returning this one, you guys. It just did not wow me. Like, it's okay. It's okay. But it did not wow me. So I'll probably return these to the store tomorrow. I'll show you guys the interior of this. I mean, I don't know. I really haven't seen these on Mercari or anything. So the folks who bought them really and truly want them. But the inside of this gingham one is also a light blue. Yeah, it's pretty, but it just didn't wow me. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to think about this one. Because it might just end up kind of being a collector's piece. And I would rather someone who really and truly loves it have the opportunity to have it rather than just having it sit up in my collection. This is everything that I picked up from the 7-1 drop, you guys. Really, I'm just going to end up with the cosmetic case and the lipstick holder. And I just really think, like I said, this is really pretty. I could really see it being cute with some, not that I own any, but I could see it really being pretty with some Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene pieces. And so maybe I'll try to find some pre-loved. I know I saw a long time a Damier Ebene mini pochette that I would love to have, that I do believe had some red, it was like a limited edition, and it had some red logo or lettering on the front. I think that would be so bomb with this. So we'll see. Maybe I could track it down on the secondhand market. But the real star of this show and of this haul is the Merlot Empire 40. And have you guys noticed that we're not really hearing anybody talk about their empires anymore? Are empire lovers, where y'all at? Are you still loving your bag? Do you still own it? Did you get rid of it? I will say this, even if this bag falls out of popularity or fashion, for me, it will be a forever piece in my collection. I know there's going to come a point where people are hunting these down just like we do the old rogues. So keep that in mind. I don't think I'll ever be getting rid of mine. I don't care how heavy they are. Even if I get to the place where I am no longer commuting or going into the office daily, I will still find a way to use these, even if it's just for road trips and personal travel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to know, did you get anything from the 7-1 drops, or did you guys catch any of the items that were marked down? Because they also had the Merlot, they also had the Olive Empire on clearance as well, and that one sold out super quick. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, YouTube.